Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So this is a screenshot of my friend's YouTube channel. So as you can see, it is written that suspended due to related channel. Exactly what this means. Okay, if I have to explain it in simple words, it means that you have two YouTube channels and then you have linked them into a single AdSense account. One of those YouTube channels simply goes against the YouTube policy, and then for some reason, uh, that channel's YouTube partner program gets terminated, and then it gets result this way in your next channel or in the next channel. For instance, channel A has been terminated from the YPP or the YouTube partner program, and then you will see this type of error or this type of problem within the YouTube number B. You get me here or no? So this is the problem, but the bigger question is how to fix this problem. Okay, the simplest method is that you have to wait 90 days or within, firstly you can appeal within just I think 23 days. You can just go ahead, create an appeal video, and contact the YouTube team that this channel, obviously they were linked into one AdSense account, but as you can see, I can't do anything about it. You'll have to fix it. This is the very first solution. Also, you will receive this kind of email within your email account. So as you can see, this is the email that he has received on March 9 of 2026. And you can see everything has been explained here. Here you can see there's also the 21 days of suspension. Basically, you can appeal within that specific amount of time. The appeal will be under this screenshot, which unfortunately I have not taken the other screenshot. At the time I had completely forgotten that I have to take the screenshot and then guide you how to fix it. But now that his YouTube channel has been fixed, I forgot, so I'm really sorry. So the problem here is that uh, within that 90 days you have the ability to simply go ahead, contact the YouTube team or appeal uh, to simply restore the channel. However, if nothing has been happened within that 90 days, or for some reason you do not know that channel's URL, or you may have forgotten all of those details, therefore the other solution is to simply so let me explain it to you in simple words. Okay, this channel was terminated on March 9 and today is July 19, which means it has been more than 90 days, around 100 more 100 days. Okay, so if you are seeing still the problem over and over again within the your YouTube channel, then you will have to basically come through your dashboard and then click on this chat icon. Once you are here, just simply type connect me with an expert, and then basically the live chat of the YouTube will will appear, and then you will have to basically go ahead and type this email. So let me, I have its detail here. So as you can see, this is a very long email that I have written to the YouTube team. Let me just simply read it to you. So as you can see, I am contacting you regarding a YouTube partner program issue on my channel. My channel was suspended from YPP on March 9 due to, so here you'll have to insert your own date, due to related channel. I previously contacted, so basically you're going to explain everything, that it has been more than 90 days, therefore you'll have to go ahead and fix this problem. Okay, after checking, they will simply forward this message to the YouTube internal team, and then you will get the result within, I don't know, within 24 hours or maybe longer. But I got it just within 24 hours. So as you can see, this is 8 o'clock 14 a.m. I simply chatted with the YouTube team. Let me, I have to zoom it so you can see exactly what do I mean. Okay, so here, where was that? Sorry, at 14 it is here, and then you can see that by 11:54 a.m. I have received the email that you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. Although let me also clear one more thing, that basically as I said before, it was linked to another AdSense account, and then right now it is linked to his own AdSense account. So let me summarize everything for you. If your channel has suffered from this problem of suspended due to related channel, don't panic. Firstly, you'll have 21 days to appeal. Secondly, after that, if the 21 days did not work, then you have the 90 days. After 90 days, you can just simply go ahead, contact the YouTube team, and ask that it has been more than 90 days. Please go ahead and fix it for me. They will just simply review your task or your whatever it is, and then it will be fixed like easy peasy. Hopefully, this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and goodbye.